performing for you this morning, since they will be reciting a poem that was written by one of our students, fellow students, and that is Antonio Vasquez. And Antonio has written a poem about natural disasters and inspired several of my students as they have been coming to me daily with poems from home. So here we go. One, two, three.
It flows from Antonio. It whispers sings, but it never wins. A hurricane blows, but it always goes. A tsunami breaks, but it never breaks. A sprouts, but it always goes out. An earthquake shifts, but it always lifts.
Take a bow. Way to perform your own poetry. I love it. You're an inspiration for the whole school. Matthew, hit it for them.
Antonio.
They do cafes all over the
All right, and Matthew hit a special clap for Antonio with his own